Suad Fakir heads a Sudanese economic think tank based in Egypt's capital, Cairo. She says the ongoing fighting in Sudan is likely to damage an already struggling economy.
The economic situation in Sudan is in danger. There's a halt in all economic activities. People can't buy anything in the markets. Production is stopped, as well as trade with all countries, including Egypt. Very soon, the economy in Sudan will cease to exist.
Sudan is a major trading partner with Egypt. The two countries have partnered on a railway line and a road that links both countries and which will be extended across Africa, called the Cairo-Cape Town link. Sudan accounted for over 13.2% of Egypt's trade within the African continent and saw an 18.2% increase year-on-year in 2022. That's according to data by Egyptian Ministry of Trade and Industry. Egyptian investments in Sudan surged to $11.1 billion, while Sudan investments in Egypt were valued at $540 million in 2022. Balance of trade is in Egypt's favor, with exports that include chemicals, building material, home appliances, and processed food. The impact of the conflict, which erupted in April 15th, has been felt in Egypt, as explained by Ashraf Mohammed, who has been exporting various products to Sudan.
Borders have closed down. There is congestion in the seaports and the border crossings. There is paralysis. Some of the exported food on trucks is now spoiled. Some factories are closing down, and the companies in Sudan are losing money because of the contract they signed with us here.
Egypt imports huge livestock and agricultural products from Sudan and is concerned supplies will be affected.
We are already suffering from high inflation rates that have been fueled by global inflation. A shortage in supplies from Sudan could increase food prices further and hike inflation in Egypt.
But officials in Cairo have tried to calm those fears and said they will tap alternative suppliers in North Africa and Latin America if the crisis escalates. Egypt is also bracing for the evacuation of about 10,000 Egyptians who have lost their jobs in Sudan, putting more pressure on the labor market and social security programs in the North African country. Yes, Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.